Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. We're getting caught up on some sticker videos here, y'all. We have another awesome sticker from another awesome channel. Y'all need to go check them out. But y'all like, who are we supposed to go check out, Grumpy? I'll show you. Y'all got to go check out Radar The Woodturner, y'all. He's got an awesome channel. He's up and coming. Y'all go watch him, check him out, help him get some watch hours. He does some cool wood turning, some bowls, some lidded pots. He did an awesome lidded pot the other day. I love the green that come out in that thing. But anyway, y'all go check him out. Awesome guy. He does some cool work. But anyway, we're gonna switch cameras here, and then I'm gonna get him up on the board. But let's see if we can get the camera switched over. Awesome. Now, let's try to do some zooming and whatnot here. Alright, we're gonna go over here in the corner. Trying to get this thing adjusted. I'm on the tripod with this one and it's like all up in my way. Here we go. We're gonna come right over here. Hope everybody's having an awesome day though. It is definitely starting to warm up. It won't be long. I will be trying to figure out how to get my window unit hung up out here and get that stuff to where it blows on me in this corner. I get it set up and it's just gonna blow out in the garage and not necessarily cool off over here, but I got an idea on how to fix that. I think I'm gonna get one of those air ducts, the flexible pipes. I'm probably gonna hit the camera, y'all. Oh goodness. I want to get one of those flexible air duct pipes and all kind of like a dryer vent hose and tape it and make a duct and tape it to my AC and then just drag that joker over my head over here. I bet that'll work. But anyway, y'all check that out. We got Radar The Woodturner up there and all these other awesome channels up here, y'all. I'll have a link for everybody in my description, so y'all go check them out. Show everybody some love. Help everybody get them watch hours. But thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Y'all remember, stay awesome, stay laid back, and it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody. Have a safe day.